Shadeston.com is a website that claims to sell fashionable clothing, including jackets, tops, jeans, hoodies, and more. They also claim to be their own factory, focusing on cost effectiveness so that customers can get high-quality products at low prices. Sounds great, right? But the real question is Shadeston legit or just another scam? One of the biggest red flags is their company information. They say they have their own factory, but they provide no clear details about it. The address they list seems to be fake, and while the company name exists, there is no real information about it anywhere. On top of that, they only provide an email for contact, no phone number, no real way to reach them directly. That's often a sign of an untrustworthy website. Another thing that stands out is their About Us page. Instead of mentioning Shadeston, they have written, "Tangler is your global online store that delivers the latest fashion apparel for you. We have handmade toys, dresses, tops, bottoms, and jewelry for girls and ladies." This clearly shows that they forgot to change the name while copying content from another website. This suggests they might be running multiple scam websites, just changing the names but keeping the same fake details. Then comes the pricing. They are selling jackets for as low as $6 to $7 or sometimes around $10. But if you look at reputable stores, similar jackets cost over $100, sometimes even more. How is Shadeston able to sell them at such a ridiculously low price? The truth is, they probably aren't. Websites like this often take your money and either send you a cheap, low-quality item or nothing at all. Another major red flag is their payment method. They only accept credit cards, which is something many scam websites do. Without PayPal or other secure payment options, they can easily charge your card multiple times or even steal your details. Once they have your credit card information, they could make unauthorized transactions, and you might not even realize it until it's too late. So, should you trust Shadeston.com? The signs are pretty clear. It's better to stay away. A website with fake company details, copied content, unbelievable discounts, and limited payment options is not worth the risk. Always do your research before buying from unfamiliar sites, and if a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. Stay safe and keep watching videos like this to stay informed.